If you ever need to stop in the middle of an embroidery design and you're not all the way done, on the Pfaff creative icon, you have no worries. All you need to do is just stop the machine from where you need to be and then reach over and turn the machine off. Now you think, well, how would it know where I am? Well, because this is a design that is not finished, the machine is smart enough to know just that. So let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine off and give it a second, I guess. I think I just wait because I think I should. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it back on. Of course, it's going to ask for this hoop to be removed, so I'm going to just do that now and just leave it on the bed of the machine. So after it comes back on and we are asked to calibrate the hoop, I'll show you what comes up next. So you come back the next morning and you turn the machine on, and this is your message that greets you. Your embroidery ended unexpectedly. Do you want to resume the embroidery? Now this would be the place where you want to make sure you touch OK. So let's start there. So it's going to say OK. This is your normal message about the calibrating of the embroidery hoop. That's why I went ahead and took off the hoop while it does its calibration, just like normal. But watch what it does. Here comes our embroidery arm. Here comes our design. And it's right where we left off. So wherever your stitch out progress was, I had just kind of came in a few colors and a couple into a little bit of the second design. It is right at that stitch point. It is ready for the embroidery hoop to be put back on like normal, and then it will start at that first stitch that it was left at. If you feel like you need to back up a few stitches, I mean, normally I don't turn the machine off unless I'm at a color change, but what would happen if somebody bumped your power at a class, or you had a outage at your home and it just turned off, accidentally turned off? You can go through these same exact steps and it knows exactly where you are. So hug your machine, because that is a fabulous feature. You don't have to turn it on. It's just part of its brains that if you stop in the middle of a design and the machine is off, that is the first thing it thinks you want to do when you turn it back on.